I'm SivaGanesan, Proprietor of Frontline Technologies. Welcome to Innovate Bharat. We design and manufacture automation control panels. We are specialized in offering the customized solutions. So this is a Siemens PLC. We also do the integration with Delta, Mitsubishi, Allen Bradley, and most of the popular brand PLCs. We offer automation solutions for the industries. We have three verticals. One is automation where we build the control panels. Second is an academy. We give the training to the engineering students and working professionals in automation, embedded and robotic. And third is we deal with automation components, PLC, VFD drives, servo drives, sensors, limit switches. We represent European and Japanese brands, and we are supplying pan India.